From seed to table, this is the incredible journey of white rice. A shining symbol of modern food engineering. This factory handles thousands of tons of paddy rice every day. Every grain of white rice starts here, nurtured for months before harvesting.
Our journey begins in the vast rice fields, where paddy rice grows under the watchful care of farmers. When the paddy rice reaches peak maturity, expert farmers inspect each cluster by hand.
Traditional harvesting practices ensure the rice stems are cut with precision.
Bundles of paddy rice are gathered and carefully placed for transport.
Once loaded, the paddy rice begins its journey to the processing factory.
Heavy machinery moves these freshly harvested grains from the field to the loading zone. Soon, thousands of kilograms of paddy rice are collected in massive stockpiles.
Huge trucks carry tons of paddy rice across long distances to industrial processing plants.
The journey continues as the raw grains approach a state-of-the-art rice mill. This factory handles thousands of tons of paddy rice every day. Upon arrival, workers prepare to unload the fresh paddy rice. Advanced intake conveyors begin feeding the raw material into the first stage of cleaning. The first step is cleaning. High-pressure air jets remove dust, leaves, and impurities.
Even the smallest grain is thoroughly rinsed.
Water jet tunnels wash every layer of paddy rice to ensure cleanliness. Now fully cleaned, the paddy rice is ready for dehusking. Industrial preparation lines handle thousands of kilograms every hour. UV sterilization eliminates any remaining microorganisms. Precision rollers ensure only the husk is removed, keeping the grain intact.
The paddy rice enters powerful dehusking machines that separate the inedible husk from the grain.
Polishing machines gently remove the bran layer, increasing purity and shine. Air separation removes the lightweight husk remnants with astonishing efficiency. The raw rice grains emerge from this stage clean and ready for polishing.
Each grain moves one step closer to becoming the white rice we see every day.
Air separation removes broken grains, leaving only premium quality rice. Excess bran is carefully removed, leaving the core white grain.
Technicians fine-tune every part of the process to maintain perfect quality.
The polished rice enters advanced refinement systems that ensure absolute purity. Every grain of white rice passes through multiple precision filters to achieve consistent size.
This purified white rice is now ready for final homogenization. Industrial sifters remove any final inconsistencies from the batch.
Laser inspection identifies imperfections at microscopic levels.
Laser scanning technology evaluates color, shape, and structural quality. Precision remains the priority, no matter the hour.
Once approved, the white rice continues its journey through transparent pipelines.
The pure white rice is now transferred to homogenization and stabilization chambers.
The white rice enters huge mixing chambers, where grains are perfectly balanced.
Moisture sensors guarantee ideal softness and storage stability.
Robotics ensure consistent handling and zero contamination.
Long production corridors handle continuous streams of raw rice grains around the clock.
The grains now move to the final purification stage.
Mechanical paddles ensure every grain maintains uniform smoothness.
After aging, carefully controlled valves release the rice for packaging. Human experts verify samples to maintain international food safety standards.
From here, the grains move into secure storage environments. Robotic sensors maintain perfect storage temperature and airflow. Once balanced, the rice is ready for temporary storage. The journey now continues toward packing and distribution. Here the grains rest, allowing moisture to stabilize. Each bag is filled with perfectly refined grains. State-of-the-art filling machines measure and dispense white rice with exact accuracy.
Batch codes are added for traceability and safety.
Each label is pressed firmly to ensure long-lasting adhesion.
Once filled, airtight seals protect the rice from moisture.
Once verified, the packaging moves forward to the filling station. Brand labels are applied with pinpoint precision. Automated conveyors ensure efficient movement throughout the facility. Heat shrink wrapping groups rice packs for safer transport. This is the final resting point before the rice begins its journey to the market.
Before shipping, every package is scanned for authentication.
Robotic boxing systems handle the rice gently but efficiently. Digital scanning systems track every single batch. Automated systems check each container for strength and integrity. Vacuum pressure tests guarantee the bags will not tear during filling. Before filling begins, every rice bag and container is sterilized for perfect hygiene. Finished packages now move forward toward labeling and branding.
After packaging, the rice is moved into enormous climate-controlled warehouses.
Thousands of pallets are organized with perfect precision. Precision, quality, and consistency, the pillars of production. The refined white rice is stored in towering steel silos. The heart of the factory beats day and night. a shining symbol of modern food engineering.
Every label is designed with care to communicate quality.
Cinematic presentations help tell the story behind each grain.
Different varieties meet the needs of families everywhere. From factory to shelf, the brand presents white rice as a symbol of purity and trust. A final look at the product Pridhan, pure, polished, and ready to serve the world.
Massive truck fleets pick up packaged white rice for nationwide delivery.
Finally, the packaged rice is stacked and secured onto pallets for distribution.
Loaded trucks depart the rice factory and head toward market destinations. Distribution routes ensure fresh rice reaches stores quickly. At last, the rice arrives in the market, ready for consumers to buy.
The journey continues in kitchens around the world.
The cleaned grains are placed into a cooker and prepared with care.
Before cooking, the grains are rinsed gently.
Heat transforms the grains into soft, fluffy, white rice.
After a long journey, the rice becomes a warm, nourishing meal. Perfectly steamed grains reveal their natural shine.
And finally, the rice reaches its final form, ready to nourish homes across the world.
White rice pairs effortlessly with dishes from every culture.
A cycle that begins in nature and ends in our homes. From homes to restaurants, its versatility is unmatched. It brings families together, a staple in households worldwide. Night shifts ensure constant supply and uninterrupted workflow. Even after the sun sets, production continues tirelessly. This is the story of white rice, crafted with care for every family.